Hello and welcome to the tech update of this week. Now, this week, let's start from Europe. Now, in Europe, HMD GLOBAL, which is the current manufacturer and the marketer of Nokia smartphones, has decided to make the dream of made in Europe smartphones a reality. Now, HMD GLOBAL announced that it is currently manufacturing some versions of the Nokia XR21 in factories in Europe, specifically Hungary. Now, HMD further went ahead and made certain claims, which in reality are not 100% true. This is where things get a bit interesting. HMD claims it is the first smartphone manufacturer to manufacture smartphones in Europe. As much as many Europeans would love to see their smartphones being made in Europe, this claim is out of proportion, for reason being that German manufacturer Gigaset and Carbon Mobile equally manufactures their smartphones in Germany, which therefore means that this bold claim being made by the manufacturer of Nokia smartphone is actually an overhype and disputable. Now, one thing we can all agree on is the fact that HMD GLOBAL making some version of Nokia smartphones in Europe makes HMD one of the major brands in Europe to manufacture smartphones in Europe. Now, as much as this is a positive news for Europe, this is not a full manufacturing plant, but just an assembly plant for Nokia phones as of now. Now, this move by HMD is not so surprising, as it is already a well-known fact that most manufacturing brands around the world are trying to diversify their supply chains and moving manufacturing away from China. I wonder if we're going to be seeing more of this in the coming future. But bear in mind that most of these materials being used to manufacture these phones are still going to be sourced from markets in Asia such as China, Vietnam and India, just to name a few. In my view, HMD will not fully relocate manufacturing of Nokia smartphones from China, India and Vietnam, but it is very likely that in the near future they will try making phones meant to be sold in Europe whilst they maintain some manufacturing processes in India and China as well as Vietnam, since it wouldn't be making economic sense to shift manufacturing processes fully from Asia into Europe. By the way, kindly let me know what you think about this decision being made by HMD Global in the comment section. If you find this content informative, kindly don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next update. Thank you so much and have a good day.